I know it's important to do the right things when you're planting a small tree like this, but what's the real purpose of the dirt being piled up around the tree?
Well, just like taking care of a young child or a young animal, it's the same thing with the tree. First thing you want to is give it a nice bed to live in. And what I've done after we planted the tree properly is to create this berm. And the berm is so that when you water the plant, the water is going to stay in this basin. Now, I already have a bubbler here from a tree that was previously here that died about 3 years ago, so everything is nice and well set. Then the next thing is, because this is such a young tree, we need to stake it. Because in any kind of wind, you can see it's just a very small, slim little tree.
And with the soil being so loose and moist, I guess it could get blown over.
It could definitely get blown over. So we have these stakes here to keep it in position. And then finally, the last thing that's awfully important to me is that you need to be able to support it.
Right.
Now, I use some old stockings here, and as you can see, aside from being kind of beige, so you don't see them immediately, when the tree does move, because undoubtedly the wind's going to come up, the tree can move back and forth within this space without marring or nicking the skin of the tree, and that's going to be a good thing. There are other things you can use, maybe plastic bags or whatever, but I think these little nylon stockings will last long enough for the tree to establish itself.
Makes sense.